Ever see someone drive by in a car that costs more than a house? The shiny paint, the roaring engine, it screams rich. But what if the man behind the wheel is drowning in debt? Maybe the car is leased, and his bank account is nearly empty. We see the car, but not the loan. The big house, but not the mortgage. The vacation photos, but not the credit card bill. This is the paradox of wealth. What's visible is just the tip of the iceberg. True wealth isn't about what you spend, it's about what you save and invest. The money you don't spend is what quietly grows in the background, working for you. Spending money to show off is the fastest way to have less of it. Many people get trapped trying to look rich, and in doing so, prevent themselves from ever becoming truly wealthy. The world is full of people who look successful, right clothes, right car, right address, but behind the scenes, their finances are a mess. They live paycheck to paycheck, stressed about bills with no freedom. The wealth you see is often an illusion. Flashy displays are usually a sign of insecurity, not strength. Real wealth is quiet, invisible, and often hidden. Next time you envy someone's flashy lifestyle, remember, you're only seeing one side of the story. You see their spending, not their savings, their possessions, not their net worth. The person who looks richest is often just the best at spending money. The truly wealthy master the art of not spending. The goal isn't to look rich, it's to be rich. And those are two very different things. Looking wealthy is a performance, a show for the world. The script, luxury cars, designer clothes, expensive watches, and a big house in the right neighborhood. Exotic vacations and Instagram posts complete the act. Every purchase is a message. I've made it. I'm important. The expensive dinner isn't about the food, it's about being seen. The new watch isn't about telling time, it's about showing off. Maintaining this image is exhausting and expensive. Money that could build real wealth is burned to fuel the illusion. People focused on looking rich are on a financial treadmill, constantly spending to keep up appearances. New cars, latest fashions, bigger vacations, it never ends. They're trapped in a cycle of earning and spending with little left to save or invest. This obsession with visible wealth distorts our idea of success. It teaches us that success is something you wear, drive, and post online. If you don't have these things, you feel like you're failing. This pressure leads to poor financial decisions, choosing instant gratification over long-term security. The result? Playing a short-term game destined to lose. The performance of wealth is costly, fleeting, and ultimately, unsatisfying. Real success isn't about what you show, it's about what you keep. The world rewards those who look rich, but life rewards those who are rich. Don't play the wrong game. Invest in your future, not your image. So, what does it mean to actually be wealthy? Forget the sports cars and designer clothes. True wealth is about what you have, assets that generate income and grow over time. It's about net worth, what you own minus what you owe. Being wealthy means financial security, options, and freedom. The truly wealthy often live simply. Think of the millionaire next door driving a 10-year-old car and living in a modest house. They're not playing the game of looking rich. They're playing the game of being rich. Every dollar not spent on flash is a dollar invested for the future. Their focus is internal, not external. They care about building a solid foundation, not impressing others. Satisfaction comes from watching their net worth grow, not from consumption. Independence and control over time matter more than status symbols. Their goal, freedom to live life on their own terms. This mindset is powerful and sustainable. It's not about a high income, it's about a high savings rate and wise investing. Wealth is built by habits, not paychecks. Let's look at the real numbers behind wealth. The image of wealth in movies and social media is a fantasy for most. Many households are financially fragile. Median retirement balances are shockingly low. For people in their 30s, it's around $19,000. In their 50s, about $88,000. The median net worth for an American family is $192,900, but most of that is tied up in home equity. Take away the house, and liquid wealth drops dramatically. Most people have little cash or investments they can access quickly. Liquid wealth, cash, stocks, bonds, is what provides a real safety net. Many look rich but have less than $5,000 in savings. One unlucky event can trigger a financial crisis. We live in a society that celebrates spending but most can't afford it. The result? A population that looks wealthy but feels poor. The numbers don't lie, we're spenders, not savers. How do people afford lifestyles their savings can't support? Debt. Debt powers the illusion of wealth. Buy now, pay later. Car loans let people drive $70,000 SUVs with little in the bank. They focus on monthly payments, ignoring the true cost and years of interest. The car makes them look rich, but the loan makes them poorer every month. Credit cards make it easy to spend money you don't have. Small balances spiral into big debt, trapping people in endless payments. Debt creates a fragile, stressful existence. You're not free when you owe. The truly wealthy aim to be debt-free, valuing freedom over flash. They'd rather own a cheap car outright than lease a luxury one. Debt is a chain. Freedom is the ultimate luxury. Why do people go to such lengths to look rich? It's psychological. We crave belonging, respect, and admiration. In today's world, wealth signals status. Social media amplifies the pressure. Everyone's highlight reel makes us feel left behind. We buy things for validation, not need. This chase for approval leads to envy, insecurity, and overspending. The admiration from flashy purchases is fleeting. True self-worth comes from living by your values, not from what you own. Seeking validation through consumption is a hollow pursuit. Meet Anna and Ben. Same age, city, and income. Anna is a spender. She leases a luxury car, rents a trendy apartment, buys new clothes, and posts her vacations online. She looks rich, but saves almost nothing and has no emergency fund. Ben is a saver and investor. He drives a paid-off used car, lives in a modest apartment, cooks at home, and enjoys simple hobbies. Ben keeps his costs low, saving and investing $2,000 every month. He maxes out retirement accounts and invests in index funds. To outsiders, Anna looks successful. Ben looks ordinary. But while Anna is trying to look rich, Ben is quietly becoming rich. Anna's lifestyle is impressive, but fragile. Ben's lifestyle is modest, but secure. Anna's money goes to appearances. Ben's goes to assets. Over time, Ben's habits build real wealth. The difference isn't income, it's mindset and choices. Looking rich is easy. Becoming rich takes discipline. Anna spends for today. Ben invests for tomorrow. Only one of them is building a foundation for the future. Fast forward 10 years. Anna and Ben have both advanced in their careers. Anna has upgraded her lifestyle with every raise, but her savings remain minimal. She still lives paycheck to paycheck, stressed by every unexpected expense. Dreams of freedom, starting a business, taking time off, feel impossible. She's spent a decade looking rich, but has little real wealth. The admiration she gets feels hollow. She's trapped by her own spending. Ben, meanwhile, has let his savings and investments compound. After 10 years, he's built a net worth of over $400,000. His wealth isn't in cars or clothes, it's in assets working for him. He lives modestly, but enjoys peace of mind and real options. Ben has FU money. Enough to walk away from a job or take risks. He can weather financial storms without stress. Ben controls his time and his life. He never focused on looking rich, but now he is truly wealthy. The slow path of discipline has paid off. Anna chased appearances. Ben built freedom. The difference is clear. Anna and Ben's story reveals the real lesson. Wealth isn't about things, it's about freedom. The greatest prize money can buy is control over your life, not luxury goods. Financial freedom is earned through patience and discipline, not flashy spending. Building wealth means treating money as a tool to invest, not just to spend. Delayed gratification, saying no today for something better tomorrow, is key. Living below your means isn't deprivation, it's the seed of freedom. This path isn't glamorous or popular, but it's powerful. Compound growth is slow but unstoppable over time. The world may not notice, but your future self will thank you. Ask yourself, do you want to look rich or be rich? Stop comparing, start building. Invest for the long term. The greatest luxury is a life lived on your own terms.